Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alale and this is my first video of handcraft series. Today I'm going to show you how did I make these beautiful yummy cherry earrings. They are super cute and very easy to make. What we need is red yarn and green yarn, small pliers and scissors, piece of toilet paper or any type of paper in general, and colorful bead. Here I'm using wooden one. Also we need base of earrings and some extra rings. I'm not sure where you can find them in your country, but I bought them from the Grand Bazaar. And we need two different sizes of needle fit for yarns. For beginning, I grab piece of toilet paper and will fold it in four. Then I will roll it around itself until make a small ball. Here I made one of the cherries before and we are going to make another one just like this, round and red. I stuck the head of yarn inside the paper ball and twist it around until hide every single part of paper ball with the red yarn. Cut end of the yarn and add a needle to it. I'm going to sew around my cherry ball with needle because we need to be sure the yarn will stay fixed around and they don't open when we are using them. Also be sure that you are hiding all sides of paper ball with yarn. At the end, I'm going to stuck end of the yarn inside the paper ball. So I cross the needle at middle of paper ball, and because it's too hard to make needle free with hand, I'm using my plier. And cut the fringe with scissors. As you see, my cherries are ready and they need two beautiful green stems. So like before, I already made one stem and here how we make the another one. Add a needle to your yarn and tie down part of it, but I'm not sure about the correct verb in English, so you can comment below and help me for it. Then I will add my wooden beads to yarn. I guess 6 till 10 is enough, but it depends on you how long you like to make it. Like I add 7 dark green beads plus a light one, and I sew stem with same needle with beads to cherry ball. You should make sure that sew it very tight unless it's gonna open very soon. I'm preparing my ring and make it tight with my plier and then sew it to my cherry. And again, like red yarn, make sure that you sew it tight to the cherry ball. And be careful to sew somehow your green stage stay high. So make tiny stage and try to sew them under the red yarn. Also, if there is any red free yarn, stage them to cherry balls with your green yarn. As you already know the recipe, stack yarn inside, pull it hard and cut the fringe with scissors. Now we are in the final step. It means adding the earrings base to our earrings. So I used two small rings to link the cherry to paste of earrings. And here what we have, two fresh cherry that I can hang them on my ears just like when I was a child. If you are still here, thank you very much for joining me today. I really enjoyed the moment and I hope you enjoyed it too. Please comment below if you like it, and if you had any question, feel free to ask. Love you so much and see you soon.